Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to learn how to install Exalate for Zendesk. You can also check out our documentation, which has all the necessary steps to help you install the app. The Exalate app is listed on the Zendesk Marketplace. So just log into your Zendesk account, and in Settings you can go to the Marketplace and then to the App section. So go to Settings and then to the Admin Center. There you'll get the link to the apps and the integration section. Now, just type in Exalate and search for the app. From here, you just need to click the Install button, and once it's installed, you can choose which site or account you want to install it into. I'm going to choose this one, Exalate 5854. This is where I'll install the app. So I click on the Install button here, and then the necessary steps will pop up. I just need to provide a title for the app, and then we have to enable role restrictions. Now, I don't want to enable any role, but if you want to, you can just select the app, select the role through which the app will have the restriction. After that, just click on Install, and once the app is installed, you should be able to see it in the My App section. To access the app, you need to go to your home page. Now, if you don't see it, refresh the page once and it should appear. And then you should see the Exalate icon here. Now, click on the app and give it a minute. Now we need to go through the registration process. Put in your email address as well as the contact name, the organization, and the phone number. Then just click on Agree and Submit, and that's all we need to do here. We're almost there. We just need to verify the email address. So let's open our Gmail account and give it a couple of minutes, and it should arrive in your inbox. And there we have it. Now click on Verify Exalate Installation and you should be good to go. Once this is done, the app will be installed and you can just click on Continue. Next, you need to provide your proxy user permissions. If you want to change these, you can do so in General Settings. This is the proxy user, but if you want, you can also change the proxy user permissions in Zendesk. And that's it. You can now go ahead and set up your first sync.